Two, one. Hello. Welcome to Voracious Podcast. We have Ruben Kaduskar as a guest today.
Hey guys, thank you for having me here.
Oh, thank you for being here. I'm a huge fan of the podcast, actually.
Hey,
You
thanks,
know,
man.
uh,
Not a-
when I was
uh,
preparing, yeah, say you say something.
I know I'm not used to hearing this. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं. Thanks.
No, but see, this is what happened. When I was preparing my podcast,
हाँ.
and this was like I'm preparing for a year. Like पहले दो तीन pilots और अलग shoot कर चुका हूँ.
अच्छा.
And it didn't work out quite all the time. And once I was on the edge of just posting, and then I saw your podcast came in, and I said, "Oh
Okay.
fuck, यार एक और आ गया अभी, एक और podcast आ गया अभी." वैसे भी कम है, तो I was like, one more came in,
I think
and
that's the reaction of people in general. कि इतने podcast हो रहे हैं. They're like यार एक और चालू कर दिया क्यों यार?
exactly, it's like अभी तो टिकटॉक जैसे बन रहे हैं यार podcast.
TikTok
मैं
हाँ,
7 लोग को जानता हूँ जो आसपास है, जो फेमस नहीं है, जो लोग आई एम नॉट सेइंग फेमस होना जरूरी है, बट हर बंदा पॉडकास्ट शुरू कर रहा है क्योंकि अभी तो
Yeah.
सब फ्री है.
Because it's so easy to make, no, it's very low production and there's no real mehnat of writing a script or anything. You can just invite your friends and talk, that's all.
Yeah, exactly. I used to, but this is what I think. Like, kind of now I disagree. कि पहले चलो होता था स्टार्टिंग में, ऑफ कोर्स बात करो, मजे करो, मस्ती करो, बट फिर आई थिंक ऑफ दिस कि अगर फ्रेंड्स आए मेरे और मेरे फ्रेंड्स फेमस नहीं है, मैं भी था कोई फेमस हुई, तो फिर लोग क्यों सुनना चाहेंगे मेरा? लाइक आई हैव टू थिंक ऑफ द ऑडियंस थ्रू एज वेल, राइट?
True, but if you have good content तो it doesn't really matter फेमस है कि नहीं है, पर अगर बातें अच्छी है आप लोग की तो फिर क्यों नहीं सुनेंगे?
बट पर क्लिक करने के लिए भी कुछ तो चाहिए ना लोगों को.
वो तो है यार. That is true for everything, not just a podcast, for everything, for a video, even platforms. When they listen to a pitch for a web show or a movie, they ask you straight away कि whom are you planning to cast? और अगर कोई अच्छा नाम नहीं है, so they will immediately they'll immediately be on the back foot saying कि यार
या
शायद, you know. Or if a
शायद तो क्लिक
director
नहीं
is
करेंगे.
well, like Anurag कश्यप जाके पिच कर रहा है नेटफ्लिक्स को, बोल रहा है मेरे को रूबेन कड़ुस्कर लीड में चाहिए. दे विल बी लाइक हु इज रूबेन कड़ुस्कर, बट दे विल लाइक चल अनुराग कश्यप बोल रहा है तो शायद होगा.
Right, exactly.
Right.
It all depends
So
on the credibility now.
yes.
But after this, so अभी recently what happened is, फिर मैंने पोस्ट नहीं किया मेरा, and I recently started, and I was editing episode 3 of mine, this podcast itself, and your podcast again dropped. So I thought, अरे माँ कसम, अभी बजट लेके आए ये.
The season 2.
Season 2. तो
Yeah.
बट वो बंद क्यों किया यार? वो काफी फट्टे पॉडकास्ट था.
नहीं बंद नहीं किया. The thing is अभी there's no real way to shoot it apart from Zoom, and Zoom पे I'm not
Very
really
comfortable.
confident of the audio.
Yeah, same thing, exactly. So yesterday I was editing my another podcast, and audio में ही time लगा. Like I'm पूरा editing करने में time ज्यादा है.
That's the problem. Now the thing is, when I started season 1, I wanted to invest and do properly, but my mom is very smart that way. She's like, अभी पैसा मत डालना, अभी नॉर्मल करके देख, अगर लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है तो अगली बार में डालना पैसा. तो I'm like, yeah,
Right.
you're right. So, and it was the first time I also hosted a podcast. I didn't know how to do it, so I thought, why invest? So I just took a place जहाँ पे वो लोग ने फ्री में दे दिया मेरे को कि कर लो
किधर? Adagio था?
यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड. हाँ,
Adagio.
Adagio in Bandra.
Adagio, yeah.
Yes. Also, I rented a Zoom recorder for $500 a day.
Oh,
और
nice.
mics, I already had a few mics with me, so I'm like 500 रुपए में एक एपिसोड हो रहा है.
हाँ, निकालो.
2 episodes per day. So I did that and everybody liked it, although views काफी कम, मतलब downloads काफी कम थे. But then
Right.
season 2, so a friend of mine, he has this space that you've seen on season 2, and he said you can use this space for free. I'm like, oh, अगर ये भी फ्री में मिल रहा है तो फिर
क्यों नहीं?
कर लेते हैं सीजन 2 एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टूडियो स्पेस. तो फिर मैंने बोला चलो अभी कैमरा डाल के थोड़ा इन्वेस्ट करके करते हैं.
हाँ बट अच्छा है यार, अच्छा है. बट आई अगेन थिंक कि 6 एपिसोड्स के बाद नहीं करना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा और मजा आता. लाइक अभी तो
So I
आई
shot
गॉट
6 episodes और just उसके बाद ही कोरोना का आउटब्रेक हो गया. I was planning to do 12 in this season.
ओह अच्छा, हाँ देन आई गेट
तो
इट.
वही प्रॉब्लम हो गया.
कोई नहीं, अभी तो फिर आफ्टर आई थिंक सो इट विल रिज्यूम सून. लाइक शूट्स का तो अभी आ गया बात.
Yeah, I probably so I'm working on a different not say a podcast but a different kind of a talk show come stand up idea. So hopefully
nice.
that goes through.
So something like Green Room with Paul Provenza.
Kind of, but there's also stand up involved.
Oh, there is stand-up involved. Oh, nice.
Yes.
Oh, nice. It'll be fun.
Yeah.
Why did you start comedy? Were you hurt as a child?
Everyone is, no, in some aspect.
Kind
Everyone
of, yeah.
is. Which is why we are attracted to comedy so much. हमको jokes अच्छे लगते हैं क्योंकि वो trauma छुप जाता है. But so basically, I was bullied a lot in school or college maybe. So
Oh, really?
Because of my stammering. Also क्योंकि I'm fat थोड़ा तो वो easy था आ गया.
Yeah, I understand.
Also पढ़ाई में भी बहुत खराब था मैं. तो मैं इतना खराब था कि teachers used to allow bullying only for me. They're like, हाँ यार ये कर लेता है deserve तो कर दो यार. Not really, but I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
So sorry, dude.
I'm kidding.
Oh man.
Kidding.
No, of course I understand. But फिर तो क्या उसमें से सब गुस्सा इसमें निकाला? Rage निकाला इसमें? Or was this an attention
Not
thing?
really.
Like...
Yes, it's more like an attention thing. Also proving people wrong. It was, I spoke about this in a podcast episode with Karunesh. कि बचपन से ही मेरे को बोला गया था कि यार तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. टीचर्स ने बोला, दोस्तों ने बोला, रिलेटिव्स ने बोला कि हाँ हर फैमिली में एक ऐसा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट आता ही है तो इग्नोर कर लो इसको ऐसा. तो आई वांटेड टू प्रूव देम रॉन्ग कि नहीं यार अपने में भी है कुछ. तो आई डिडंट नो हाउ दो. लाइक आई वाज अ बारटेंडर फॉर 7 years. फिर एक दिन दुबई में अबू धाबी में आई सॉ लाइव स्टैंड अप शो एंड आई वाज लाइक ये तो मस्त है यार. मतलब स्टेज पे चढ़ के सिर्फ बातें बोलते हैं और लोग हंस रहे हैं and it's really interesting. So I thought, you know what, I can do this. So that's when.
And also there must be great comparison. Like your sister is an actress and everything, and now तो फिर ये तो होता रहेगा.
Comparison तो होता है, but but we're both different in a sense कि वो she's an actor and I'm a comedian. अब problem ये हो गई है कि since the last year or so, I've been getting more acting work than she is. Than her. तो और मेरे को एक्टिंग करनी नहीं है पर मेरे को लोग आके बोल रहे हो एक्टिंग करो.
क्यों?
हमारी एड में आओ, हमारे पिक्चरों में आओ. मैं बोला ठीक है फिर आ जाता हूँ. मेरे को
मैंने ग्रोफर्स का ऐड देखा था. आई थॉट कॉमिक्स तन करियर बनाता है.
नहीं, it's not about comic stand. It's also about you.
No, I understand. It was exactly. उस टाइम में मेरे को लगा कि यार काफी cool है ये. And I remember pointing this to my mom because whenever I used to tell her कि I want to do comedy and writing and direction mix, मतलब ऐसा kind of Judd Apatow or Ricky Gervais type. तो and she used to not understand it completely. She is की stand up comedy भाई कुछ नहीं होता. You have to, if you want to be in movie business, be in movie business. And I remember like ad आया था ग्रोफर्स का and I said, hey, this is a guy stand up comedian. See now he's in ad too.
अब खुल रहा है अब. हाँ, because अब opportunities खुल रही है for comedians to get into mainstream acting and mainstream direction and writing. पहले नहीं
Yeah,
था.
I mean,
पहले this was an indie scene and now it's becoming mainstream. धीरे धीरे आ रहा है. Like for example, like people like Kevin Hart, people like Judd Apatow, you
yeah, Judd
rightly said.
Apatow, Kevin
ये लोग
Hart.
stand up से आए हैं and they become these multi-million-dollar artists जो stadiums बेचते हैं. वो इंडिया
Exactly.
में नहीं है वैसा कि
Right.
they get the leading role. I think it started with Kanan doing a kind of a parallel lead in a movie with Sonakshi Sinha.
Right.
Uh,
Yeah.
वहाँ से
But
थोड़ा
before that,
start हुआ.
Tanmay Bhatt did Mr. X, ना?
पतन वो तो stand up से भी पहले. मतलब AIB was not popular then.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so mainstream हुआ
रागिनी
Kanan
MMS भी तो
Gill.
किया था उसने.
I haven't seen Ragini MMS.
Even I have not seen, but I know that he's done.
Yeah. Then Abish Mathew was also in Ayushmann Khurrana's film. Meri Peri Bindu.
I'm not sure. Maybe.
Yeah. Then I mean,
Biswa
it's
was
opening
in
or
one.
also. Biswa was in one?
Yeah. He was
Oh,
in a
nice.
movie. I don't remember the name, but it was a nice kind of an indie film. The director is काफी popular. He's a Bengali director who made Gandu.
Nice. I mean, everyone is doing, like Adar Malik is doing a film. Varun Thakur is kind of an actor. So yeah. Also, AIB started producing. Like the first film has come in now. So that's
Chintu ka
opening up.
birthday, yeah.
Yeah. We
Yeah, it
had
was
Chintu
a-
Kabadde as a director on the show.
I know. Satyanshu Singh.
Yes, sir. Sati, sir.
Sati sir, huh? He's a brilliant mind. He's a brilliant
Oh,
mind.
great.
I took one of his workshops.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The amount of knowledge he has and in-depth analysis he'll give you.
No,
I
काफी good.
think he knows Lagan by heart. Lagan.
I said कि
Har-
I had not seen Lagan before his lecture, okay? And after his lecture,
Oh.
I can win an argument with a friend that why is Lagan a good film?
Yeah. अगर देखी
Yeah,
भी नहीं
so
होगी ना, so you see the movie through him. He'll tell
Exactly.
you everything. Yeah.
But like, how did stand-up comedy happen? You started in Abu Dhabi or here?
So I saw this live performance in Abu Dhabi and I was like, अरे ये try करना है. So I contacted them on Facebook, the group that did it, Yalla Laughs. So I contacted them and said, I want to try stand up. So they said, okay, cool. अगले हफ्ते we have a show. You have a 15-minute spot. I'm like, अरे 15 minutes?
सीधा 15 minutes.
Like, okay, cool. So the next week I went up. It went. At that time I thought बहुत अच्छा हुआ. Now I
Okay.
look back at the recording and I'm like काफी खराब था. काफी 15
mean-
मिनट में four laughs in 15 minutes is horrible. यहाँ पे अभी टारगेट ऐसा बनता है कि 1 मिनट में 4 लाफ चाहिए या 2 मिनट में 5 लाफ चाहिए वैसा.
Oh, really?
15 मिनट में
ऐसा है
4.
अभी?
Yeah, there's a meter.
Wow, but why?
When you-
How does that matter? Like, the thing is,
It matters.
now when I look back at the greats, like अभी सैनफील्ड का नया स्पेशल आया, उसमें 5 मिनट में मेरे को 2 laughs आए. Chappelle का स्पेशल, Chappelle tells a story which is
So I'll
funny.
tell you what the difference is. So when you're starting out, you have
Right.
to impress people. So how do you impress people? By being constantly funny.
Funny,
So
killing,
when you're starting
yeah.
out, your first skill. So your first target is to have your tight 5 minutes. अब वो tight 5 में you need to have at least 10 big laughs and 2 to 3 applause breaks.
Right.
That's your tight 5. 5 to 10 big laughs and 2 applause breaks minimum. तो मतलब tight हो रहा है. अब उसमें से then you go to 5, then you go to 10. Then you do 15, and then you do 20. So this
Wow.
matters when you're starting out, because when you're starting out, you just want to make people laugh. But when you reach a certain stature as, say, Bill Burr or Dave Chappelle or Doug Stanhope or
Right.
Jerry Seinfeld or Ricky Gervais पकड़ लो, तो उन्हें ना
Ricky Gervais.
बातें बोलनी है, तो उनको अब हंसाना नहीं है, उन्होंने बहुत हंसा लिया. They want to tell you things, so they don't care if you laugh or not. They're like, ये मेरी बातें हैं, अभी सुनो.
और फिर हो जाता है.
That's what it is. हाँ, of course, because now they have your attention, no?
Yeah, I mean, of course, when he's
Like,
come on the stage,
Ricky Gervais has your attention.
है.
You know who Ricky Gervais is. You want
Exactly.
to listen to what he's saying. तो अगर वो अब ये तो मैटर नहीं करता कि तुम हंसो ज्यादा कि ना हंसो. Of course he'll want you to laugh, but
Right.
not in that tempo anymore.
Right, I understand.
Depend करता है फिर भी. Like people like Louis C.K. and Jerry Seinfeld still go for that.
Yeah. Kill, yeah. But still, 23 hours. कैसा लगा? You saw 23 hours?
23 hours? No.
Yeah, Jerry Seinfeld's new special drop. 23 hours to kill.
देखा मैंने. I'm not a big fan of Jerry Seinfeld. So.
I mean, I like Seinfeld, but ये तो यार ये क्या 15 मिनट का मटेरियल सुना हुआ था मैं तो.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's most of the jokes are now old jokes being refurbished. So I have lost interest.
Anyways, but do you think I was watching a show again, Green Room with Paul Provenza again, and this was a question raised, and it was, do you think you were funnier before you were famous, or now it's all right?
Okay. Now if you think about it that way, I was funnier before I did stand up because there was a difference.
Anonymity?
नहीं, not because of that, because तभी ना filter नहीं था एक तो वो, and the other thing is at that time, I did not know the standards of jokes. I did not know the nitty-gritties of jokes. Rule of 3 क्या होता है, flip क्या होता है, hack joke क्या होता है, वो सब अपने को फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. Funny है तो I used to laugh, and I used to make people laugh. Hack I'll explain. Now if I'm conversation में भी, if I crack a joke and if it's a bad joke, I only be like, छी यार क्या हंस रहे हो तुम लोग इतने गंदे joke पे, मत हंसो. So, or I will not say the joke only thinking कि ये काफी खराब joke है, मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ. तो in that sense वो filter आ जाता है. And also when you follow comedy as a career, you watch a lot of comedy.
Right.
Also, your standard of comedy consumption also increases. So you will also not laugh at anything.
A basic joke.
अब तो फिर वो level का चाहिए.
अभी तो improve तो करना ही है.
हाँ. नहीं, वो हंसी नहीं आती. क्योंकि ऐसे वो टेम्पलेट वाले जोक बहुत सुन लिए ना.
Exactly. And sometimes तो अभी अच्छे jokes भी हो जाते हैं. Like I was listening to Sati Sir's podcast with AIB, and he said कि now if I hear a funny joke, it's like it's funny. You don't laugh anymore. It's like ha. Yeah. Okay, funny.
True. It's true.
Right. It happens.
Which is why I like, even when I'm running a joke by a friend of mine who's a comedian, कि सुन ये joke लिखा है मैंने, they will say, oh, hilarious. Hilarious है तो हंस तो सही कम से कम. Just say hilarious. So that's how our feedback is also. If you ask me ये joke कैसा, I'll be like, हाँ dude, funny है. That's all we'll tell you. We won't laugh anymore. Unless it's extraordinary. Unless it's one of those jokes I've never heard before. Like the template is different, the premise is different. I'm like, ये कहाँ से लाया bro, बहुत funny.
Right, right. Also, I want to ask, hack joke क्या होता है?
Okay, hack joke. It's not a good term to use, but अब है तो है. So hack joke is something. For example, doing jokes on a common topic, like for example, traveling in local trains.
Okay.
Now that's a hack, a premise, because you're going for the easy premise.
Oh.
Because it's a very common premise, right? And
But
a hack,
also, wouldn't you argue that it is a very relatable topic and it can kill better?
that's why it's called hack, because it always kills.
Oh, अच्छा, okay. तो risk
तुमने
नहीं
मेहनत
लेना
नहीं करी, हाँ, तुमने सोच नहीं डाली अपनी खुद की, तुमने मेहनत नहीं करी, तुमने हाँ लोकल ट्रेन में ऐसा होता है चिपका दिया. It's that simple.
Right.
It's very easy to write and easy to make people laugh, which is why it's a hack, and hence it's called a hack premise or a hack joke.
And rule of three?
Rule of three is also considered as a hack because अब सब करते हैं. It's that easy. So rule of three is basically flipping the third one.
अच्छा, okay. This happened, that happened, this
That
happened,
happened,
that
and
happened,
then-
this happened, and this. Oh, that happened.
1, 2, and then third one is a flip.
Right, right, right. Oh, yeah. Bo Burnham does it. Oh, yeah.
Bo Burnham, but he does it ironically. He knows it's
Yes,
a hack.
that's funnier.
That's really funny because वो जान के कर रहा है, and he's doing it for the comedians. Saying
Right.
कि ये
It's
जो
like
हंस रहे
अगर
साले, it's that.
exactly. It's like calling out yourself is funnier than telling a bad joke.
Exactly.
काफी cool. Now, you haven't been cancelled yet, right? Controversy कुछ हुआ रही है ना अब तक?
नहीं अब तक तो नहीं हुआ.
सही.
होना चाहिए था.
क्यों? अच्छा.
I'm just not important enough. Not Me Too wise. Not
नहीं, not just
anything
Me Too wise,
creepy,
but
controversy and झगड़ा and all of that, gossip, वो सब हो जाना चाहिए था अब तक, पर
हाँ.
बाहर नहीं आता. कॉमेडी का गॉसिप ज्यादा बाहर नहीं आता.
क्या बोल रहे हो? अभी तो अभी AI भी तो इतना बड़ा हो गया, SNG हो गया.
हाँ, but वो उतना बड़े लोग का ही आता है, छोटे लोग का नहीं आता. Like I'm not important enough for people to pay attention.
So let's do it now. Let's do a diss track on Tanmay Bhatt.
क्यों? Why जबरदस्ती Tanmay Bhatt क्या guys? Here's the thing. I want to play PUBG with Tanmay Bhatt on his stream, और वो मेरे को ले नहीं रहा है. तो
क्यों? मैं पूछने वाला था, स्ट्रीम क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो?
नहीं, मैंने उसको टेक्स्ट किया था कि मेरे को भी PUBG खिलाना. तो the day he invites me on his channel to play PUBG, अगले दिन मैं उसको डिस करूंगा, because मेरे को बस वही चाहिए. पर कुछ है नहीं डिस करने लायक यार. He is doing great, dude. He's doing an amazing job. Yeah. सब अच्छा कर रहे हैं, सब अपना
सेकंड चैनल भी अभी एक्सपोनेंशियली ग्रो हो रहा है यार.
हाँ, so he's doing great. He's doing very good, dude. And he's very hardworking.
Yeah, I told my mom Voracious kind of was a similar plan. I wanted to do sketches and everything. I wrote 4-5 sketches, but फिर पैसा नहीं था जोली में मेरे पास. So बने नहीं sketches.
किसी के पास में.
So I'm just doing this. So and I thought, and mom को बोला था कि AIB जैसा है, like she knew AIB because बहुत सुना है मेरे नाम से, तन्मय भट्ट ये AIB पूरा. And she said okay cool. अभी 3 साल है, 1 साल गया, 2 साल के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ करना है, वरना I'll have to do assistant director at a film set.
That's also not bad.
It's not bad. I would have loved to do it, but I want to make like a film before that. Like अभी 3rd year में we have a project to make a film. And I'm right now working on a film as a first year as a marketing associate.
Okay.
तो अभी 3rd year तक मेरे को मेरा स्क्रिप्ट रेडी करके कुछ ना कुछ तो करना है. Hopefully ये तो ख्वाब बड़े दिख रहा हूँ मैं.
हो जाएगा यार, if you work hard हो जाएगा. Whatever you want to do, just do. Go for it. Then go for it all out. फिर don't hold yourself back.
I mean, I wrote one show and I'm like, अभी pitch करने में हो नहीं रहा because I don't know anyone at Prime or Netflix, right? और इस वजह से मैं OML के पीछे पड़ा हूँ कि भाई प्लीज एक बार दरवाजा खोलो. These guys don't reply back ना, तो फिर उसमें थोड़ा सा अटका हूँ. But hopefully कुछ ना हो जाएगा अभी.
Yeah.
You right?
I don't know what to say.
No, I understand what to say.
नहीं
Not your comment.
मेरा भी यही है इशू. आई थिंक इवन प्लेटफॉर्म्स दे गो फॉर पीपल हु आर वेल नोन. उसमें क्या होता है कि अगर टैलेंटेड भी हो एंड you don't have a name, तो chance ही नहीं मिलता, which is wrong. And there has to be some way that not just the film industry but also comedy industry and all the other industry needs to have an open arm of sorts कि अगर idea अच्छा है तो why not?
Exactly. I mean, over here there's not an agent system ना, like in the Hollywood. Like वहाँ पे if you have an agent, वो तुम्हारा काम कर देगा.
करवा दे, हाँ बराबर. Which is what OML is for.
Right, but so why aren't you
comedy.
doing it? Like you are a part of OML, na?
हाँ.
So are you writing something?
Yes, I am working on a few ideas, but
wow.
again, because I've not written anything before, तो मेरे को time लग रहा है to develop and meet the standards of what is going on right now. तो वो सब the best part about having a management company is that they tell you कि market में ये चल रहा है और platforms are looking for ideas like this, तो ऐसा करो. इस genre में कुछ है तो and even if they'll give you feedback on your drafts. So like recently I sent my third draft of my screenplay. तो उन्होंने बोला कि इसमें और करो ये करो. So before pitching to a platform you already have 5 drafts behind you. तो मतलब 6th draft जा रहा है सीधा प्लेटफॉर्म के पास जो अच्छा जा रहा है. टाइम लगता है.
You are writing a show or a film?
अभी फिलहाल तो शो आइडिया है, देखते हैं what happens.
All the best, man.
Thanks, man.
But I wanted to again ask, why do you stop suggested jokes? Because again, one of my favorite shows, like series kind of.
I have not stopped it. The thing is, बहुत लोगों ने अपने versions उसके बना दिए उसके बाद.
I mean, still, I understand. Of course, ये तो होगा ही. But if you post it once, twice a month, तो भी it would have made your pattern kind of ना. Like अभी honest कोई करेगा नहीं.
I know नहीं करेगा. करते हैं ना फिर भी लोग. करते सब और उनका पॉपुलर. तो अब क्या
बोलूं? But it's like if
also okay.
Yeah.
What I want to say is that in suggest jokes I have to come up with a joke in 1 week or stand up set in 1 week. तो इतना आसान नहीं है. तो I need to be in the zone. I can't have distractions around me कि अरे screenplay लिखना है, screenplay submit करना है, अरे मेरे को ये करना है, वो करना है, meeting है, वो सब. I have to be free for an entire week to write the set. तो अभी वो हुआ नहीं पिछले काफी टाइम से. I was not able to.
अच्छा, okay. And how's comedy going online?
I am not a big fan. मेरे से नहीं हो रहा. I can't do the whole Zoom call पे
comedy, na? I mean, of course, it doesn't replace the stage.
Yeah, because standing on stage with a mic in your hand and there's a mic stand here, ऐसा हाथ रखना उस पे और ऐसा face to face लोगों से बात करना.
You get some space.
It's that experience. वो adrenaline rush अलग है. And यहाँ पे वो हंसी भी ऐसा लैग में सुनाई देती है. तो मजा नहीं आता. लाइक मैंने जोक मारा उसके 10 सेकंड के बाद किसी का ऐसा आवाज आ रहा है. I can't. You don't know if you are doing well or not. So it's very weird.
Right. I was talking to Akash Mehta about this and he said अभी तो like heckling नहीं होता but there's just random things happening. एक बंदा अपने like he was shaving the whole show.
मेरे साथ हुआ था. मैं एक शो कर रहा था with a few other comedians और हम लोग ने शो स्टार्ट ही किया था just like hi hello thank you for tuning in that. And one of the guests she just shouted hi guys, I'm a big fan, can you please shout happy birthday to my boyfriend, his name is so and so. I'm like yaar, तुमने तुमने she paid $200 so that we could say happy birthday to her boyfriend.
That's
I'm
all?
like
Then she exited.
$200 का टिकट था, नहीं 200 नहीं था, ज्यादा था, 350 था शायद.
वाह कसम.
हाँ,
And then she exited, what?
yeah, फिर उसने शो देखा ही
Wow.
नहीं. Yeah, that's what happened. ऐसा
Wow,
होता
that's a
है.
crazy thing.
Yeah.
You've been heckled online?
Heckle not really. Heckle, so हम लोग ने ऑडियो ऑफ कर दिया था उसके बाद सबका, तो साइड में
But फिर उसके
चैट
बाद
पे
फिर-
लोग बोल रहे थे कि रिफंड चाहिए.
Oh, अच्छा.
हाँ,
But फिर ऑडियो ऑफ करके फिर मजा कैसा आता है? Like I understand stand
अब
up
हम
में
लोग-
वो भी है ना कि हंसी.
that's the thing. We allowed this, but then वो लड़की ने ऐसी हरकत कर दी, and then we asked her to not do it, and then others also joined in, so we had to mute everybody else. We didn't have any other choice.
You guys do have those college things, like abhi recently our college Zoom call is happening, there's lecture happening,
हाँ.
and just out of nowhere the link got passed और
Oh.
और चालू हो रहा है, अब गाली पे गाली आ रहा है, and oh क्या बोलूं मैं, some guy flashed his penis off and
Oh.
it's too much happening.
No, that's wrong. Flashing penis is wrong, very wrong. However, I saw the video on Dhannabal's channel. उसमें किया था compilation of classrooms gone bad, online classrooms. और random कोई भी चिल्ला रहा है बीच में. Hilarious. It's funny, but it's also
Oh,
wrong.
it's very funny. See, I've done it too. मैं भी करता हूँ. मैं like कोई कॉलेज का बंदा होता है, उसका छोटा क्लास होता है ना, तो I say कि give me the link, I'll just join in. And I go in with a friend and I just start a normal conversation and मैं उसको बोलता हूँ कि dialogue बोल. तो बोलता है कि bro, she missed her period out of nowhere.
अच्छा.
And I say, are you sure? और just 2-3 बात और करते हैं and we make it very awkward and then we leave.
Send
It's
me
fun,
that
right?
link also next time. मैं भी आएगा, कुछ करेगा. तुम लोग ऐसा बात करना ना, बोले यह भारतीय संस्कृति के खिलाफ है, FIR दर्ज किया जाए इनके खिलाफ. How can they have sex
Exactly.
before marriage?
We entered और फिर पता चला कि कोई तीसरा बंदा है who's not related to us और वो चिल्ला रहा है अल्लाहू अकबर और निकल गया वो भी.
Hilarious.
Oh, it's very fun, but now everyone is stopping that.
हाँ,
Like अभी Google पे कर रहे हैं and my colleges तो developing their own software now. So
हाँ, because ये ऐसा लिंक सबको जा रहा है, कोई भी है. Hilarious.
So how was Comicstan?
Comicstan was fun. Hectic, बहुत hectic.
Yeah, you said
But
it was very stressful.
हाँ, because every week you had to come up with a new set, and वो भी Amazon पे जा रहा है, तो एक हफ्ते में वो लिखना है जो उस standard पे हो. So it's very hectic, and it was also mentally draining after, क्योंकि I don't know if you have plans of going to a reality show. Don't. If you don't.
No, I don't.
नहीं,
I don't.
Reality shows really fuck with your mind because you go in with an expectation, thinking कि और सब तुमको बोल रहे हैं. Judges also, they knew me and the others also before, and they said to everybody कि तुम लोग का सबका chance अच्छा है ये. And then I thought going in, I was not a bad comedian. मैं ठीक हूँ, मतलब बहुत अच्छा भी नहीं हूँ और पर बहुत खराब भी नहीं हूँ. But what happens is these reality shows, they portray you in such a way sometimes that if an audience hates you, they hate you. फिर मतलब you have to work really hard to redeem yourself again.
Right.
So it really fucks with your mind where you start doubting yourself कि अरे मैं खराब हूँ क्या, ये लोग इतना मेरे को बोल रहे हैं कि तू खराब है, शायद मैं खराब हूँ फिर. So that
that fucks up
really affects your mental health.
Yeah. You know, I was so amazed that you do comedy production.
हाँ, I did that because मेरे को स्टेज टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था पहले. 2016 की बात है. ओपन माइक्स काफी कम हुआ करते थे. 3 to 4 places in Bombay and 3 open mics a week. So I started my own room because I wanted stage time खुद के लिए भी. तो वही मैं start किया and then I started expanding. It was solely for my own. It's going well. Not great now because अभी तो नहीं, पर एक साल पहले से टिकट सेल्स काफी कम हो गए थे. Also competition बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया है comedy production में, because on a given weekend there are around 50 to 60 plus shows happening in Bombay, comedy shows.
Wow.
50 से 60 on a weekend. Not the comedy
public है किधर? Like I stay in Kandivali. Kandivali Malad Borivali में मैं I don't spot people.
नहीं होता वहाँ पे. ओपन माइक्स बहुत कम होते हैं, बट मोस्टली मलाड में होते थे, अब पता नहीं. बट मोस्टली अंधेरी वेस्ट, अंधेरी ईस्ट बहुत कम. अंधेरी वेस्ट मोस्टली देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रूम्स. अंधेरी वेस्ट, बैंड्रा तो पूरा क्लस्टर है. लोअर परेल, साउथ बॉम्बे में 2 रूम होंगे. यहाँ पे पवई में आई हैव 1 रूम एंड few others have a few rooms. तो वो है. फिर चेंबूर है. नवी मुंबई में कुछ है. So
सही है.
Yeah, सैचुरेट हो चुका है मार्केट बहुत ज्यादा. That's long.
But फिर अभी मेरे को लगता है कि this is also the time where it will open up ना. Like अभी मेरे को लगता है कि शायद SNL जैसा कुछ आ सकता है यहाँ पे.
Nah, I don't know.
Really?
SNL जैसा यहाँ.
I mean, like, not comedy sketches all the time, but just an institution. Like SNL has produced so many good comics.
हाँ, but I don't think we are people जो sensibilities हैं लोगों की वो limited ही हैं. मतलब stand up जो हमारा genre है वो कुछ लोग ही देखते हैं, कुछ लोग ही enjoy करते हैं. अब when you say go on a national television platform तो लोगों को हमारा पसंद नहीं आएगा, because there is sensibilities are more like कपिल शर्मा. और हमारे साथ हुआ है काफी बार हुआ है कि लोग आए हैं हमारा शो देखने के लिए with expecting कपिल शर्मा जैसा होगा and they leave scandalized. They leave scandalized कि ये लंड वंड बोल रहा है स्टेज पे. ऐसा थोड़ी चलता है. ऐसा ही चलता है. तो वो
it's the new way of English comedy ना. थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. It will take a minute.
It's not about English comedy. It's just freedom of speech comedy. Let's call it that. मतलब तुम restrict नहीं कर रहे हो खुद को. Clean रखना है. No. बहुत सारे जो हमारे भारतीय comedians है who are massy, they also do vulgar jokes all the time, but they layer it. They don't say it. They वो innuendos करेंगे, ऐसा वो करेंगे. So it's all सब नॉनवेज ही कर रहे हैं. But हम छुपा नहीं रहे. हम सीधा बोल रहे हैं. हाँ.
You know, it was in the start. It was like गाली बोलो audience आएगी.
हाँ, पहले था वो. हाँ. क्योंकि नया था ना.
अभी तो
टाइम लोग बोल रहे थे कि अरे स्टेज पे खड़ा होके ये गाली देता है. ओहो क्या अमेज है ये. अभी भी होता है. College shows, the reason I do college shows because it is such a massive ego boost. क्योंकि बच्चे जो रहते हैं 19-20 साल के, 21 साल के, तुम सिर्फ स्टेज पे खड़े होके without any context, nothing, just say mother chode.
I know. It makes the crowd go wild.
पागल हो जाएंगे. क्या बोल दिया इसने. स्टेज पे खड़े होके गाली दे दी. ये आदमी बहुत अमेजिंग है यार. It's no sense.
Oh man. But yeah, well, on that note, I think so we'll end this. Thank you so much for doing this, Ruben Kaduskar.
Thank you so much for having me, Keval Vora. By the way, I really want to know, Keval means only.
Only. You know, I
And
had this question and I was very, I'm not even kidding. It's the second question. I did not say this because kind of the सब बच्चे ऐसा लगता है. But I want to ask, Ruben is such a cool name.
हाँ,
Or what does
surname.
it mean?
अच्छा.
Like
Okay.
surname का.
Surname ka. So the thing is, Reuben means in context of Jesus, behold the Son. कि
Oh, okay.
Jesus पैदा हुए हैं, देखो. It's that. So it's a Jewish name actually.
Are you Jewish?
No, I'm a Maharashtrian Hindu. Brahmin. बहुत safest in the country. But the thing is,
कोई tension
my mom is an artist and she loves art clearly. ये सब उनका ही है. So Ruben is her favorite artist, so she named me after him.
Nice, man.
Swedish.
My dad was so selfish because he wanted me to be named Kapil after Kapil Dev because he loves cricket.
Great. It's a great name. But why
it's a-
Keval?
केवल मेरी नानी ने ऐसा फोर्स किया कि नहीं let's name him केवल और फिर उनके सामने she is like the gangster of the family. उनके
Are
सामने कोई
you
कुछ
the
नहीं
only
बोलता.
kid of the house?
I mean, yeah, I'm the only one.
That's why. केवल यही है हमारे घर में. Dude.
Anyways, thank you so much for doing this.
Thanks for having me.
I hope to see you soon
Same here.
at the comedy club.
Sure. आ जाना कभी भी.
Done. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Thanks, man.